Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? Have you ever been frustrated by someone else's actions or words? If so, then this video is for you. We will discuss 7 truths that you need to accept about people. These truths will help you to understand and appreciate people better, and they will also help you to avoid conflict and build stronger relationships. Truth 1. People are different. We all come from different backgrounds, have different experiences, and have different values. This means that we will not always see the world in the same way, and we will not always agree on everything. It is important to accept and respect these differences. Truth 2. People are flawed. Everyone makes mistakes, and no one is perfect. It is important to remember this when you are dealing with other people. When someone makes a mistake, try to forgive them and move on. Truth number 3. People are selfish. People are naturally inclined to put their own needs first. This is not necessarily a bad thing, but it is something that you need to be aware of. When you are interacting with other people, be mindful of their needs as well as your own. Truth number 4. People are emotional. People are driven by their emotions more than they are by logic. This is why it is important to be able to connect with people on an emotional level. When you are trying to understand someone, try to see things from their perspective and feel what they are feeling. Truth number 5. People are changeable. People are constantly evolving and changing. This can be a good thing, but it can also be challenging. Be prepared to adapt to change as people in your life grow and change. Truth number 6. People need each other. Humans are social creatures, and we thrive on connection with others. Make an effort to connect with the people in your life and build strong relationships with them. These relationships will provide you with support, love, and companionship. Truth number 7. People are worthy of love and respect. Every person deserves to be loved and respected, regardless of their flaws or shortcomings. Treat everyone with kindness and compassion, and you will make the world a better place. Conclusion. By accepting these truths about people, you can improve your relationships with others and live a more fulfilling life. What are some of the truths that you have learned about people? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.